Well, hello and welcome back to Farmer Talk. Well, Farmer Does Food, I suppose. And of course, heading towards lunchtime, so it's from the healthy playlist, which is a bacon sandwich. Now, there are various rules about making a bacon sandwich. As you know, unless you have a wood-fired range, it's impossible. So fact number one. Second, we need, I ordered unfrozen, but it seems this is frozen. Never mind, it's a sourdough pave. I don't think they've spelled that right. Bacon that they claim, it came from a supermarket, I'm sorry. They claim it's dry cured streaky bacon. Taste the difference. We'll see about that. Yeah, you know what that is. Black pudding. Apparently it's the law that you need to have black pudding accompanying a bacon sandwich. Don't know why. And you also need some mushrooms. Right. Without further ado, apparently this is butter. Just a little knob of butter. So that can go on there. And what do we want? The black pudding. So you need one of these, by the way. And whoa, that's nice eco packaging here. Ruffle, ruffle, ruffle. I only need one ring, but I want two. So that's easily solved. And I should say you need 2 logs. So yeah, just bear with me. Oh, it's all good fun. It's very easy to control the heat on this. Came from Brunel's clearance sale, by the way. Very good buy. Black pudding coming on nicely. So we really do need to put some bacon into the pan, don't we? Which is, he says, fairly easy to do and desperately boring to you guys over there. Right, bacon. This is, it's a very difficult dish, this. It's a skilled job, so try and keep up. Oh, I said mushrooms, didn't I? So, we've got to chop these up, I suppose. Shall we chop these up? Let's chop these up. Like, really important to do this to the millimetre accuracy, like that. And they just get thrown in as well. Ta-da! That's too big. Okay, so we're doing nicely. We're back to this frozen sourdough, aren't we? Let's have a look and see what we can do. Slice the bread. Let's see what we can... it is a bit frozen. So I think that off there. So then we'll go there. This is how you slice bread, by the way. But then I'll do the solid bit. Let's cut that through there. Let's cut that. Oh, it really is frozen. Oh dear. There we go. And that, come on. Right. Don't want those bits. They're the middle, frozen bits, so they're no good. They're tomorrow's breakfast. Ta-da! Now you'll realise why you need a log range, because this is frozen, so you pop this over here to thaw out. So, mushroom, well, that's it really, isn't it? All we've got to do is prepare it. Well, and cook it properly. Very important to have a warm plate. And make a noise doing it. So here we go. Here's one that isn't warm. It soon will be warm. I'd say we're nearly there. We have Exhibit A. There we go. Can you see that? Smells awful, by the way. And I know it's only because I'm hungry that I'm doing this, you know. And I will just pop some bread in there. I'm purely doing this to clean pan. Let's see, and pop that one in there. It's so artistic how this is done. And I should say it was that second log that is making all the difference. There we go. Let's chase that round there. There. Beautiful. It's because we could have an egg, couldn't we? But no, that would be greedy. Well, the moment of truth, and of course, presentation is, as you know, everything in advanced cookery. So, presentation. I let you into a little secret. Whilst I'm fairly good on the taste front, I'm not the... Just look away now, will you? So, there, we have some bread, la la la, and bacon. Oh, there doesn't appear to be enough for you, I'm afraid. So, if you come back later, we might be able to do something. Here we go, that needs to go like that. Then we need these. I was a bit mingy on the mushrooms, wasn't I? They've disappeared. You always, when you're cutting them up, think that there's two. Here we are, burn my fingers. Just talk amongst yourselves. This isn't tempting at all. Black pudding, I will have that side serving, I think. So there we go, and then we top it off like so. Ta-da! I might, actually, before it all collapses, I might do this. Ooh, I might. Let's, ha 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 ha. There. Technically, there's enough for you. Technically. Unfortunately, you're not here. Now's the time when any chef worth their salt would taste and go, delicious. But they do that everywhere. I mean, it's meaningless, isn't it? And I'm not sure this is going to taste too good. So I will bid you farewell and good luck with making your own. Bye for now. Oh, you're still there. It wasn't that nice, honest. So, in fact, I'm not sure if I were you, I wouldn't try making anything like that. It was okay.